My host, namaste. Alright, let's go upstairs and check out our room that we are staying in for the night. It was roughly costing us 100 rupees each, so 200 rupees total. But check out this view. Just there's nothing like it. There's nothing like it. Alright, so the dining hall is on the second floor. There we go. It's pretty basic as far as the room. Here's the dining hall. There's a fireplace, wood burning fireplace. That's important. It's awesome because they're really nice because there's windows all the way around in the inside of the dining hall. Oh yeah, free Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is actually pretty darn good. I'm actually using my data at the moment, and I have 4G, full bars. Oh, they have sodas, beer, and a really big menu, surprisingly. Like a really, really big menu. A ton of stuff to pick and choose from. Oh gosh, hold on. Okay, so our room is right off of the dining hall. And my girlfriend just... never mind. Here's our room. I guess it sleeps 3 people. But I had to really push hard on the door to get it open. No biggie. So there are 3 beds. And so I'm guessing it sleeps 3 to 4 people. Check that. It's pretty basic. It's the 3rd bed there. Over there, it's a light switch and an outlet to charge your electronics. I'm probably going to be charging my phone later. And so it's got a light here. And another one right over there. It's not super cold, and if you know anything from trekking and staying in tea houses, your best option is going to be tea house that was like constructed out of wood, like wood floors, wood bed frames, wood panels, wood ceiling. Because we're so high up, and hey, check out the view. This is what I wake up to. It's so high up that it gets really cold if the tea house, the guest house is built with cement. So that's my trekking tip. And it's gonna be warm. Oh yeah, we got our sleeping bags out. We sleep inside our sleeping bags and put the blanket on top of the sleeping bags to give us extra. Make sure it's extra warm. It's not extra warm, it's even warmer. Alright, so that's it. Let's back outside, prayer flags, 200 rupees, and we're gonna eat all of our meals here. And yeah, look, my girlfriend's getting her hair braided. That's so cool. If she'd asked me to braid her hair, I'm like, I have no idea how to do that. So, cool. All right, laters, don't forget to like and subscribe and get out and do something that scares the crap out of you or something new. Go travel somewhere. All right, like, subscribe. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think of this particular place. I'll have the name, description, location in the name description. I have all the information about this guest house inside the description. All right, peace.